Hi, I'm Russ with Conditioned Air Solutions. We're at our customer's house today replacing this older unit with a new Daikin Fit. Several things going on with this unit. For one thing, this is the 3/8 liquid line that's run outside of the house. It's not secured or run properly. So this is one of the things we'll be fixing today. One of the first things that we're going to do is pump this unit down to get all the Freon out of the line set. Once we do that, we'll disconnect electrical and disconnect the copper settings and remove this unit. We'll clean up this area for the new unit to be placed in, and when we set the new unit, we'll reattach copper lines and leave the power for last. The Daikin Fit unit is a much smaller footprint than this as well. So it takes up less space, but the biggest thing about it is it provides exceptional heating and cooling for the home. The Fit product is an inverter-driven variable speed compressor that provides higher SEER ratings, more energy efficiency, and is much quieter. Once we get the air handler connected upstairs to the old ductwork, we'll finish the process of install. Normally this takes anywhere from 8 to 10 hours to do. So if you're ready to replace an old unit like this, visit us at conditionedairsolutions.com. We'll be glad to help you out.